Alright, we decided to make another one here as we're about to go out in the field and do applied science despite it being 5 a.m. Now, looking at weather.gov, we see a lot of watches, warnings, etc. We're going to show you some tutorials here and leave some links so you can save these in your favorites and access the weather with one click. Full animations. So first we looked at weather.gov. Now we're going to look at the US Doppler. Northeast getting inundated with rain now as a giant convergent line reaches all the way from Cape Cod into the Gulf of Mexico. Heavy icing in some spots and a straight up blizzard west of Lake Michigan and north. So this is the first one to save in your favorites, folks. The link we will provide is the full animation. You can click the map to zoom in, as you see here. A little greater resolution here of the incoming two storm systems, really. Now, the way to figure out what this stuff is doing is to look at the water vapor map. We'll leave links to that as well. You see essentially what's going on here is this dry mass of air is creating a split, causing compression in this way, and as it pulls this air this way, it's going to create a low. Now you can click on this map also. So for instance, this is the greatest zoom we can get on the water vapor map here. Here's what's going on in the Northeast. Extremely energetic stuff going on there. And massive pressure gradients, which is what's going to cause high winds in all this area. So keep your eye out, folks. Could be looking at things like power outages, especially with the massive temperature fluctuations. The only other one I would save in my favorites, and I do have saved in my favorites, is a zoomed in version of this. Obviously we don't see anything right now because it's still dark. However, if you keep the zoomed in version, you'll be able to impress your friends, predict the weather, make your life a little easier and more efficient by having the right instruments available with one simple click, thanks to AccuWeather.com. Again, we'll leave links in the description. Thanks for watching. Be safe.